Okay guys, we finally succeeded in creating post. The next step is actually to display this post. So let's go ahead and take care of that in this video. So for us to display post, obviously we're gonna need a page. So let's go ahead and create a new one, and this is gonna be index.blade.php. And obviously this page is gonna look like a categories. So I'll just copy all of this and I'll paste it right in here. So how is this gonna look? We're not gonna have a category name, but we're gonna have the image of that post. And here we're not gonna have editing, we're gonna have the title of the post. And here we're gonna have an edit button and a delete button. So delete. Okay, so image, title, edit, and delete. We're not gonna be looping over any categories because we're gonna have post. And that looks about right. So we need to set up the routes to get a post. So right here where I began with the routes for the post, I'm just gonna create a new one, which is gonna be a get request, and this is gonna be to the /post route, admin /post actually, since it's also in a group, and we'll take in an array and uses the post controller at the index method and as post. Okay, so let's head over to our post controller, and right in the index method, this is where we're gonna return the view admin.post.index. Okay, so if we check out right there, we discover we have in the admin directory, we have a post directory and we have our index. But now we need to loop through all the posts, right? So we need to pass in all the posts from our database. Okay, so we'll say with, and we'll call the variable post, and here we'll pass in post all. And guess what? When we are fetching these from our database, it's only going to fetch those posts where the deleted at field is null. Okay, so in case we're gonna delete or actually trash a post, it's gonna be excluded from this search, and we're gonna be seeing that in a later video. So post all is gonna pass all our posts, and when we head over to our index.blade.php for our post, we can now loop through that. So we're gonna have a for each loop, and this for each loop is gonna be looping through the post that we just passed. So for each post as post, and end the for each, and we'll have a table rule for each of the posts. And right here we'll have a table data for the image. I'll just fill that in for now. And the next we're gonna have is the title. So I'll echo out the title right here. So I'll say post title. And the next one is the edit button. So we're gonna set that up, but for now let's just say edit and delete to see that we actually have something going on the front end. Okay, so edit, delete right there. So if we visit the post route, we should be able to see this page. But let's head over to our app.blade.php to actually add a navigation link to our post page. So we scroll right down, and right here we can add a new link. So we're gonna add one, and here it's gonna say all post, and it's not gonna go to the route for categories, it's gonna go to post right here, just like we defined in our web.php. So post right there. Okay, so if I refresh, we should have that route, and we can click all posts to see a list of all the posts. So those are our two posts. We have their titles and we have placeholder text right here. So first thing we're gonna take care of is displaying these images.